Imagine waking up to a heavy snowfall, rushing outside and your snowblower refuses to start. Welcome back to WholeToolBox, your trusted source for keeping snowblowers, lawnmowers, and power tools running strong. Today, we're breaking down how to fix the most common snowblower issues so your machine never quits when you need it most. First, regular maintenance is the real game changer. Checking for loose bolts, worn augers, or damaged impellers helps your machine perform better and last longer. And if you're using a gas-powered snowblower, don't skip the oil and fuel change. Old oil causes engine wear, and stale fuel clogs your carburetor, making starting feel impossible. Replacing your spark plug, air filter, and fuel filter if they look dirty make a huge difference in power and reliability. Electric snowblower users, don't forget to test your battery health and inspect your cords for cracks. Lubricating the drive system, gear case, and auger shaft keeps your machine running smoothly, while checking tire pressure or track tension ensures you get maximum traction on icy paths. And if your snowblower suddenly stops mid-use, it might just be a broken shear pin, a super common issue that's quick to fix. A snowblower that won't start, stalls, vibrates, or has a jammed auger usually points to simple causes like bad fuel, a clogged carburetor, loose bolts, or worn blades. Visit WholeToolBox.com for high-quality replacement parts. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.